guys. So I just wanted to unbox this very precious gift that I just received. You guys, quick story to that. I had this in my cart for like 3 months now, just waiting for when I can save up the money to actually get it. And to my surprise, my husband just surprised me with it. Um, I don't even know how he knew that I wanted it. I know we talked about possibility of me getting a gimbal, but not this one specifically. And this was the actual one that I wanted in the color that I wanted it. And I'm just blown away. Anyway, I just received this and I wanted to do the unboxing with you guys. I have quickly opened it to do a quick ASMR unboxing. And so let's go a little bit in depth. And I think this would be very useful. And the reason I wanted to kind of unbox this with you is that it would be very useful for all my fellow content creators. This has just been something that I really wanted to get to help enhance the quality of my videos and everything. So keep watching if this is of interest to you, but this is definitely something you would need as a vlogger or YouTuber or content creator. It's essentially an AI powered smartphone stabilizer. I love that it's very specific to smartphones because I'm really not big on cameras. I mean, I have cameras, but I struggle with carrying them just because of how bulky they are. And this gift affords me that opportunity to actually use my phone. And that's the great thing about it. And I did a ton of research. So it was either this or the DJI Osmo 6 gimbal or the Insta360 Flow, and I feel like this won the bet because of the AI capability. I've read a lot of reviews, I've watched a lot of reviews as well on both, which I believe are the best in the market, and this sort of tops it because the AI in this is pretty much more advanced. Right, let's get into it. So opening it, I love how slick and just portable it is. It's not too bulky, and it has all the instructions here, high level instructions with how to sort of install, which is pretty cool. So here, this is it, and I really wanted the gray color. In fact, I had the gray color in my cart. It was two options on Amazon. It was like gray or white, but I had a lot of white tripods and I didn't want this because of how far I could be using this. Could be in a muddy environment, so I didn't want it to get muddy. I really wanted the gray, and just glad that he got me the gray. Okay, so right out the bat, this comes out of here, and looking into the box, I like that it's compact because then during delivery there would be no breakage or anything of that sort. So yeah, this I believe is where the accessories are. Now there are three options to this. There's the InstaFlow 360 Professional, that's the Pro Max, which essentially just comes with a carry-on bag and one extra accessory. And there's the medium InstaFlow 360 that comes with an extra, I believe, a USB cord. So in here is the holder, which is quite nice. I love the silicone feel to it. And it also comes with a pouch, which is really cool. However, I'm still gonna get the case. I think I've seen some InstaFlow 360 cases here and there, just something to like further reinforce protection for this. Then in here is the magnetic phone holder, and I love that it's magnetic compared to all the other tripods where you have to like fit the phone in and struggle to put it in. This is just a quick connect, and with taking pictures and videos is right off the bat, and you need something that allows you to be able to take photos as quick as possible. And just the USB here. That's pretty much all that is in the box, as you can see. So now we're looking at the instructions. I think this is, yeah, it's a USB to C, which is not bad either. So opening this up, let's see how it works. Cool. You can already feel just by touching it, it's so easy, so flexible, it moves around. And then Voila, you can see once you just twist the arm, it automatically activates it and it comes on. I just love the feel, how professional and lovely it looks, right? And with this, even though I haven't removed the stick on yet, which I should do actually, but you can see that it can still stick with or without the stick on, right? So that's just how amazing I find this to be. And it connects, right? And once that connects, it basically automatically activates the lighting here. Another good thing about this is that you can actually fit in your microphones here. That's one thing that the DJI 6 didn't have that I quite liked about this. I just love how raw and transparent this section of um, the gimbal is, and I love the fact that it actually labels it all for you, whereas the other Osmo doesn't necessarily label, and you can easily move around this by scrolling up or down, and you can use the middle button as well to kind of reset and set or adjust your frame as you move forward. You can see just by clicking that, you can turn it. I also love the fact that it has a middle portion where you can easily stick it on a longer tripod. So even if you don't wanna use it just as a selfie stick, you can actually screw it into a longer tripod so that you can take sort of long form videos. And this also, I love that the tripod is inbuilt. I think that's the great thing about this, unlike the Osmo where you have to remember to pack the tripod. It's actually separate where you have to connect it, but this one you don't necessarily need to connect it. It comes with it. So one less of something I have to remember to pack when I'm traveling. So one less of something I have to recall packing. It's not the longest, but it's pretty much the same length with DJI Osmo. So you can see the tripod effect there. It elongates to about longer length, allows you the opportunity to actually take a picture or a selfie, right? So you can see, can you see that? That's moving, right? Awesome. So this is just a quick physical unbox I thought to come and do. I haven't explored it completely myself, and so I'm going to actually come and do a part 2 of this unboxing when I have explored it. That way I can tell you technically what the mechanism is and the look and feel, and basically how that makes my life a lot easier as a vlogger or YouTuber. So yeah, in first unbox, this is what you get, and I really love it. Really love it. So if you are contemplating or thinking of getting this, think no more. And you can easily sort of disconnect it, and there you go. Voila, all done. And you can put it in your pouch and call it a day, right? Easy to pack, easy to carry on the go. It doesn't even look like you're carrying an accessory, right? And that's what I love about this. My brother actually has the DJI Osmo, and maybe in my next video I'm going to take his Osmo and compare alongside this for effectivity. But yeah, that's it guys. So I hope you enjoyed this review and this unboxing, and do well to leave me a comment if there's something else that you'd want me to share can help you make an informed decision on whether or not this is something you definitely need. But if you ask me as a vlogger, if you're at the point where you want to take your videos to the next level, then this Insta360 Flow is definitely what you need. And this video is by no means sponsored. This is my personal review. All right, thank you so much for watching.